Dear students, today we will be learning the factorization formulae of trigonometric functions. We have already studied the formulae for sine a plus b, sine a minus b, cos a plus b and cos a minus b, where a and b are any two angles. Now we study the formulae for expressing the sum and difference of sine and cosine of two angles as a product of sine and cosine functions and are called factorization formulae. And this product in terms of sum and differences are called defactorization formulae. Just learn the factorization formulae first. There are four results related to this. For any two angles C and D, sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. And sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. If it is plus, then sin, then cos for order. And if it is C minus, that is sin C minus sin D. If it is minus here, then it is cos, then sin order. And cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. And cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, or another formula is 2 into sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Here in case of cos, we have both the functions, both the trigonometric functions are same, that is cos only. Or if it is minus, both are sine only. And here if it is C plus D by 2 and C minus D by 2 is taken, then it is minus 2. If C plus D by 2 and D minus C by 2, then there is positive. Formulae for converting the product into sum or difference, that is defactorization formulae. For any angles A and B, 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, and 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Then 2 into cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Last one, 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. These are the four defactorization formulae. That is, product is given, then we need to convert these into sum or difference. Now we solve the sums of exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Express the following as a sum or difference of two trigonometric functions. Now first one, 2 into sin 4x into cos 2x. Here the larger angle is taken as A and the smaller as B. So we use the formula 2 sin A into cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Here 2 into sin 4x into cos 2x is equal to sin 4x plus 2x plus sin into 4x minus 2x, that is sin 6x plus sin 2x. Question number 1, second one, 2 sin 2 pi upon 3 into cos pi upon 2. Again we use the formula 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B here also. So you will get sin 2 sin, in place of A we have 2 pi upon 3 and in place of B pi upon 2. So sin A plus B form plus sin A minus B. On simplification we will get 2 pi into 2 4 pi. 4 pi plus cross multiplication will give the result 4 pi plus 3 pi, 7 pi upon 3 into 2 6 plus 2 pi upon 3 minus pi upon 2. Again here we make the denominator equal by cross multiply. So 2 2s are 4. 4 pi minus 3 pi is pi upon 6. Sin pi upon 6. Question number 2. Prove the following. Sin 2x plus sin 2y upon sin 2x minus sin 2y is equal to tan x plus y upon tan x minus y. Let us consider the LHS. Sin 2x plus sin 2y is of the form sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. So we applied the formula and written like this. Now denominator is of the form sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now 2 into sin 2x plus 2y by 2, 2 is common and taken outside from the numerator and cancelled. And similarly all the term containing 2 in common, so cancelled all the 2. So the remaining, and here also remaining sin x plus y into cos x minus y divided by cos x plus y into sin x minus y. Sin x plus y upon cos x plus y is tan x plus y, and cos x minus y upon sin x minus y is cot x minus y. And cot x minus y can be written as 1 upon tan x minus y. So tan x plus y upon tan x minus y, which is the RHS. Question number 2. Prove the following. Sin 18 into cos 39 degree plus sin 6 degree into cos 15 degree is equal to sin 24 degree into cos 33 degree. Consider the LHS. Sin 18 degree into cos 39 degree plus sin 6 degree into cos 15 degree. We consider the bigger angle as A and smaller angle as B and written of the form. Cos 39 is written first in this term and cos 15 degree is written first in the second term. Now the product requires a 2 to convert into the sum or difference of two angles. So we multiplied and divided by 2. To cancel this we need to divide also. So 1 by 2 into 2 cos 39 degree into sin 18 degree plus 2 cos 15 degree into sin 6 degree. Now little indirectly we have converted this product into sum. That is, see, this is of the form 2 cos c plus d by 2 into c minus d by 2. So we converted this difference, that is converted the product into difference, that is sin 39 plus 18 is considered as c and 39 degree minus 18 degree is considered as d. So sin c minus sin d is of the form 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. When you take c plus d by 2, 18 will get cancelled, that is 39 degree plus 39 degree by 2 is 39 degree. And when you take sin c minus d by 2, 39 will get cancelled and 18 degree plus 18 degree divided by 2. And the second term, that is again 15 sin c minus sin d form, this is also converted. Now 1 by 2 into, simplify this, 39 degree plus 18 degree is 57 degree minus 39 degree minus 18 degree is 21 degree plus sin 21 degree minus sin 9 degree. Sin 21 degree will get cancelled here and 1 by 2 into sin 57 degree minus sin 9 degree. This is of the form sin c minus sin d. So we converted into 1 by 2 into 2 cos c plus d by 2 into c minus d by 2 form. So 2 cos into 57 degree plus 9 degree by 2 into sin 57 degree minus 9 degree by 2. That is 2 is getting cancelled. So cos 33 degree into sin 24 degree, that is sin 24 degree into cos 33 degree is the RHS. Question number 2, fifth one. Prove the following. Cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree into cos 60 degree into cos 80 degree is equal to 1 upon 16. LHS is taken. Cos 20 into cos 40 into cos 60 value is written here. Cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2 into cos 80 degree. Now 1 upon 2 into, here we convert this product into the sum or difference of two angle by adjusting with the 2, that is multiplying and dividing by 2 to get a 2 along with this product. So 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 cos 40 into cos 20. Here we will take the larger angle as A. That is the first angle into cos 80 degree. Now this is of the form, indirectly we converted this into cos C plus cos D form, where C is 40 degree plus 20 degree and D is 40 degree minus 20 degree. And cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into C minus D by 2. So C plus D by 2 here means 40 plus 20 plus 40 minus 20 divided by 2. So 20 will get cancelled and 40 plus 40 upon 2 is 40 degree. And C minus D by 2 is 40 plus 20 minus of 40 minus 20. So 40 will get cancelled and 20 plus 20 divided by 2, 20. And the remaining cos 80 degree. Here cos 60 degree plus cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree, and the denominator contains 4. That is 1 by 4 into cos 60 into cos 80 plus 1 by 4 into cos 20 into cos 80 degree. We write the value of cos 60 in the first term, that is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into cos 80 degree plus 1 by 4 into, here we multiply and divide by 2 to get a 2 along with this product to convert into the sum or difference. So 1 by 4 into 2, 1 by 8 into 2 cos 80 degree into cos 20 degree. So always write the larger angle first. Now 1 by 8 into cos 80 degree plus 1 by 8 into cos, we rewrite this as the sum cos C plus cos D form, where C is 80 degree plus 20 degree and D is 80 degree minus 20 degree. Then you will get this way, cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. When you take C plus D by 2, 20 will get cancelled and 80 plus 80 by 2 is 80. And C minus D by 2, then 80 will get cancelled and 20 minus 20 by 20 plus 20 by 2, that is 20 degree. That is 1 by 8 into cos 80 degree plus 1 by 8 into cos 100 degree plus cos 60 degree. Now this is again of the form cos C plus cos D, that is 1 by 8 into cos 80 degree plus 1 by 8 into cos 100 degree plus 1 by 8 into cos 60 degree. Here we can convert cos 60 degree again directly the value, that is 1 by 8 into cos 80 degree plus 1 by 8 into cos 100 degree can be written as 180 degree minus 80 degree plus 1 by 8 into value of cos 60, 1 by 2. Now 1 by 8 into cos 80 degree minus cos 180 minus 80 is minus cos 80 degree, because it is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. So cos 80 minus cos 80 degree, that is minus 1 upon 8 into cos 80 degree plus 1 upon 60. And cos 80, 1 upon 8 cos 80 will get cancelled and 1 upon 16 as the value of this RHS. Okay, now next part of the lesson is explained in the next video.